Nature-friendly products for kids. Number one would be simple yet powerful composting. How it works: kids collect fruits, vegetable peels, some dried leaves or paper. They can layer them, mix them every few days, and just in few weeks, it turns into nutrient rich soil. The business idea would be they can sell it as mini compost starter kits. They can sell herb starter cups, perfect for little plant lovers. Kids decorate small containers, add soil, seed, and grow herb. The business idea would be sell as grow your own herb kits. They learn responsibility and eco habit through it. Um, they can sell seed bombs. This one feels like play because they mix soil, seeds, and water. They roll them into ball and let them dry, and uh, wrap them, decorate them. They can add a little card on it, and they can sell it. They learn environmental awareness and fun science through it. They learn sustainability, patience, and how waste can become value. Second on this category is no Sew Tote Bag. This one is super fun and interactive. Kids can turn old t-shirts into tote bags. No sewing is required. They can cut sleeves, they can cut neck, tie at the bottom by cutting some little strips over there, flip it, and it's done. The business twist would be don't just sell bags, create an experience. Bring your own t-shirt to the tote shop and customer will bring their old t-shirt. Kids will turn it into custom tote bag. They can help choose design, add doodles, colors, stickers, personalize them with names or themes. What kids learn from it is confidence, communication, earning through service, not just through product. Number three on this list is paper bags. It's another simple idea. Kids can turn old newspaper into useful shopping bags. Business idea would be sell it to neighbors or small local sellers. What they learn: recycling and creating something practical people can actually use. And the next one on this list is such a wonderful idea that can grow into really something good business, is rock painting. Products kids can make would be pet rocks, like a rock with the animal on it, a card for name and certificate, storytelling rock, the characters, plus a story script with it, emoji rocks, animal rocks, fantasy design rocks. They can turn into a kit, a DIY kit, where the basic one can include just rock, paint, brush, markers, simple instructions, and story starters. The deluxe kits may have stickers, props, glitter glue, story cards like characters, plays, problems, or story starting prompts as well, and a storage pouch. These aren't rocks anymore now. They can be used for storytelling games, puppet shows, and creative play. The expansion idea would be emotion rocks, glow in dark rocks, themed story kits. Now, with this, the second category is complete and we will discuss about third category.